Hi guys, Mark here. I hope you are well. In this video, I'm going to show you how to tie the Trojan horse paracord bracelet. Here you can see an example of the Trojan horse bracelet. I really like the zigzag pattern going across the entire bracelet. Let's move on to the supplies, then make our own. For the supplies, you're going to need a single cord about 9 feet long for a 6-inch weave. You're going to need a bracelet buckle. I recommend one 5/8 of an inch wide. You're going to need scissors and a lighter to cut and melt your cord. The last item that I'm going to use is a bracelet jig. The jig is completely optional, but I like to use it when I'm demonstrating a bracelet. Basically, it holds the bracelet in place, making the weaving process a bit more clear. So, if you have one, use it. If not, skip using it. We first need to set up our bracelet. We're aiming for a double cord, so a 4-stranded cord with a single working end. Take your cord and attach one end onto the top part of the buckle. Like this. Take your short end and pass it through your cow hatch like this. Don't tighten up just yet, leave it like this. Move to the other side and attach your cord onto the bottom part of the buckle. Move back to the top. Feed your end through here. Like this. Then tighten up your cow hatch at the top. Like this. Travel back to the bottom side and again attach your cord here at the bottom. Move back to the top and attach your cord for a final time. So top down and through the bight here at the middle, like this, coming over the two strands, then under and through the buckle, and through the loop. This way we have created a double cord, so a 4-stranded cord with a single working hand. Now for the weaving process. Take your working hand, which is coming from the right side, to the left. Wrap around the two middle strands, coming up. Pass under the standing hand, around the left end, and under the standing hand, like this. Tighten up and now our working hand is coming from the left towards the right. Wrap around the two middle strands, coming up. Pass under the standing hand, around the right end, and under the standing hand. Tighten up and again our cord is coming from the right towards the left. Wrap around, under the standing hand, around the left end, and under our standing hand. Tighten up. And again our cord is coming from the left towards the right. Wrap around, under the standing hand, around the right cord, under the standing hand. Tighten up and do this until you reach the other buckle length. After tying your bracelet, work the end to the underside of the bracelet like this, then cut and melt the end. And with that, our bracelet is complete. So guys, that's the Trojan Horse Paracord bracelet. Thank you very much for joining me today. See ya next time.